This is my Liberty Walk Ferrari. I love everything about this car, from the timeless interior, perfect body lines, to even the gated 6-speed. This is the driver's car in 1999. But with a sticker price of $152,000, Ferrari gave us some of the worst tech ever installed in a 6-figure car. I love everything about this car, but it being so outdated is literally like wearing Dior and Crocs at the same time. Get out! Let's start fixing everything wrong with the Ferrari. The first thing we need to replace is this old head unit from 1999. This thing is so old, I tried turning the volume up, and this is what the car did. Time for an upgrade. Boom! I know what you guys are thinking. Damn, Randy, that must be stupid expensive if it's going in the Ferrari. I got this thing on Amazon for $106. Ferrari price, Honda budget. Please be the easiest install ever. Ow! It's coming out. We did it! Why the fuck are none of these connected? Here's how to dispose of your head unit safely. Yeah! And the fitment's literally perfect. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys how tragic these speakers are, okay? Let's see, what song will I not get copyrighted for? I love my guns and I have my rights, and I fuck dudes on Friday nights. What? Let's pick something with a little bit more bass. Human made don't need like beats. Waves don't need no grease. Alright, the speakers are low-key dog shit in here. Playing up your phone? Whoa, 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 whoa. My iPhone sounds better playing music inside of a cup. Don't disrespect my iPhone like that. These speakers are completely blown. They haven't played music since the first Fast and Furious. Time to upgrade the Ferrari. Step number 1 is to remove the carbon fiber trim. God damn! This door panel came off, and on this side, we're not so lucky. All the bolts are rusted as hell. Since we're already here, we might as well clean these things up. Let's sand off all the rust and make them look nice again. Look at that, no more rust anywhere. And just like that, the upgraded speaker is in. Now that we've got that replaced, up next we need to replace the tweeters. Whoa. Now that we fully separated the two, what the fuck is this, Ferrari? This shit looks cheap as fuck. Here's the new one. We have a problem because it doesn't fit. We're gonna make it fit. If I cut this, there's no going back. I only get one shot at this. All we gotta do now is just literally clean up this hole, and we'll see how it fits. We need to be very careful. If we shave off too much, the tweeter might not fit anymore. Ooh, that popped right in there. Look at this. Perfect. Oh, shit! That's fire. In a world where car parts are overpriced, one man rises above the chaos. He is known only by one name: the Facebook Marketplace Demon.
Oh shit! Oh, my genuine Nissan parts.
Long ago, a prophecy spoke of a being with unimaginable power. A man who scrolls Marketplace for 6 hours a day. He does not sleep. He only refreshes. Always on the hunt for good deals. Legend states that he is in control of 2 of 3 S chassis. In his trunk holds unimaginable good deals. He's mastered the forbidden arts of same day pickup, low ball, no jutsu, and the I'll come right now technique. They say when the moon is full, you can hear him whisper, I have cash in hand. Feared by sellers, loved by deals. He is the marketplace demon. This dude literally has an unlimited supply of parts. He probably installed more stuff on his car than I did on my Ferrari today. Is this a skill? A problem? Comment down below. Panels are both back on. Now we test the brand new speakers.
Cause I showed you that light that you got. Won't hold you. I told you I need you like now.
Motherfucker, what's up, nigga? Gangsta rap, nigga. Nigga. I'm 100% nigga.
I didn't pick that song, I just pressed next. Now that the Ferrari is done, up next, we're gonna be upgrading my girlfriend's Miata. I can't upgrade the Ferrari without upgrading hers as well, or else I'm probably sleeping on the couch tonight. Let's get started. Because I am. Oh no. We're gonna have to modify this piece right here. Ooh, it's all the way in, it's perfect.
Snapped in.
Hey! Now my girlfriend has CarPlay. Now that we're all done, let's see what my girlfriend thinks about it.
Ow.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, open.
Wow! It looks so cool. I like it. Now I can pay attention. I mean, to the road.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Wow, it's so sleek.
Should we play some music?
Yep.
People suck dick and balls, but I won't suck nothing at all. If I can't suck you, baby. If I can't suck you, baby. Some people
You're missing something.
What? Thank you.
You're missing something.
Hell that.
Wait, can I watch Netflix on here? Like,
You should not be watching anything while you drive.
I know, but like.
Even the maps is a danger.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it.
It's time for the final upgrade. Today, we are gonna be replacing this carbon ball shifter. Every single Ferrari is running this style shifter, and I think it's so boring. Because the shifter is carbon, it's actually way too light. I have searched the entire internet to see if there are any other different options, and it seems like every single person is running this same setup. But here on Illiminate, we want to be different. We don't want to do the same thing that everybody else is doing. So I went ahead and tried out a bunch of different types of shifters, and nothing seemed to look good in this car, but one. As simple as it is, this is the mod that actually changes how the car feels. A good weighted shift knob can make you feel like you added 50 horsepower. Let's see how it feels. Look at that. Solid. One day of chaos and every single car has been upgraded. The Ferrari now feels a lot more modern with CarPlay. My girlfriend's car got an upgrade. As for the marketplace demon, he's probably gonna show up tomorrow with even more car parts. If you guys enjoyed today's chaos, go down, leave a comment, it helps us so much. And subscribe for more. We've got a lot more content in store. Since you made it to the end of this video, I wanna give this away to one of you guys. Like this video, subscribe, and comment done. Tag your Instagram, and I'll send you a DM so you could claim your carbon fiber Ferrari shift knob. I'll see you guys later.